Hello and welcome to Projects Using phoneGap by Eduonix. My name is Brad Traversy and I'm the instructor for this course, and I just want to quickly go through what you should expect when taking this course. So we'll be learning how to build mobile applications using just HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. And phoneGap or Cordova gives us the tools to turn a web app into a full-featured mobile application. So a little bit about what it entails. We have 10 chapters. There's one project per chapter, so 10 projects. And each chapter has 4 to 6 sections, and each section has 1 to 2 videos along with program files, quizzes, and documents. So what should you know for this course? You should definitely have some skills in HTML and CSS. You should know at least the fundamentals of JavaScript and programming fundamentals in general. Things like loops, variables, conditionals, arrays. You should have a general understanding of that stuff. Some extras that will help you is jQuery, jQuery Mobile, AngularJS, Node.js, and NPM, and of course phoneGap itself. As far as technology and concepts, there's just a lot packed in this course. All types of front-end frameworks, boilerplates, things like that. All right, and I'm going to quickly go through some of what it entails. We have CRUD applications, CRUD meaning create, read, update, and delete. We'll be looking at native device APIs, things like the camera API, HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript, of course. That's at the core of everything. jQuery and jQuery Mobile, the Ionic mobile framework. We'll be dealing with many different third-party APIs like Facebook, GitHub, YouTube. We'll be building applications that can integrate with those systems. AngularJS, which is a front-end client-side framework and is MVC, Model View Controller. We'll be using some of those patterns. Node.js, which is JavaScript on the server, which comes with NPM. Node packaged modules. Okay, so we'll use NPM is actually used to install phoneGap and many other technologies that we'll be using. We'll be using front-end frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation, and we'll be even using cloud databases like Firebase, and we'll take a look at RESTful interfaces. Projects overview. So the first project is going to be a very simple phoneGap app. It's basically going to be just kind of a static website with a home page, an about page, and a contact page. The point of this application is to just get you all set up with your environment and the different kinds of things that you need to install, Node.js, NPM, phoneGap itself, things like that. We'll also set up an XAMPP server so that you can actually develop on a server. Now, phoneGap itself comes with a small web server, which we'll be using as well. So we'll be switching between XAMPP, which is an Apache server, and then phoneGap's server. Let's see, Project 2 will be the Channel Vids YouTube app. So basically, you'll be able to type in a channel, and you'll just get the videos for that channel. Really simple. Chapter 3 will be the GitHub repo finder. All right, so we'll be able to search GitHub users and developers and get all their repositories. Chapter 4 will be the Ionic Task Manager. Ionic is a really nice full-featured mobile framework to build mobile applications using HTML and JavaScript. So we'll be building a Task Manager app, which will be a full CRUD application. Chapter 5 will be the Loc Weather app. So this is a location and weather application. Basically, we're going to implement geolocation so that we can get the user's location from the device, of course with their permission, and then we can send them all the weather details and a lot of weather details, not just the temperature, but things like the wind miles per hour, the dew point, quite a bit of information. Chapter 6 will be the Rent Finds Apartment Finder. That will actually use Firebase, which is a cloud database, and it'll have full CRUD functionality users will be able to list their apartments for rent, and users will be able to, of course, search for apartments by location. Chapter 7 will be an RSS feed reader. You'll be able to manage different feeds, and we use the Google Feed API for that application. Chapter 8 will be a Facebook mobile app, which will be really simple. We'll be able to log in through Facebook. We'll be able to post to our wall through the application, and we'll be able to see posts on our wall through the application. Chapter 9 will be Photo Cloud. It'll be an image cloud database application. You'll be able to actually take a picture with your smartphone, and it'll automatically be uploaded to the cloud. Chapter 10 will be a mobile diary, and that's actually going to use the IndexedDB local database. Alright, so we'll show you how to create an IndexedDB database and do all kinds of queries, and you'll be able to add entries and subjects. So that is an overview of the 10 applications we'll be building. So that's pretty much it as far as summing it up for you, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.